Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to insert a star shape in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert a star shape in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click shapes option and we can see here many shape. We select a star shape. Firstly, we select the explosion 8 points. Then draw this shape. Now we can see here we insert a star shape. Then we insert another shape. Click the drop down menu and click select star shapes 14 points. Then we apply another star shapes. Here's all of them are star shapes. We apply any star shapes in this drop down menu. And you can change this color. Click the star shapes and go to the format menu. Then change the shape fill color. Or apply some another effect or style. Click the style drop down menu and choose any style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.